Saturday, April 12th. It's been a while since we've done an update. Frank's got some more stuff done. He has ordered and got his carpet for the ElCamino. He's got the front end built, brakes on, rotors on. We're going to raise it up and let you see what he's done underneath there. He started taking the dash out. Well, he's got it out. And he is going to work on fixing these cracks and repairs and try to get all of that squared away. He ordered a new one, but he said he's not crazy about it and doesn't particularly like it. But that's what the inside looks like right now. This block is ready. These heads are supposed to just have a couple of 100 miles on them. He's gonna, I think, redo the valve seats, maybe put some lap the seats, and when the block comes back and everything and he gets his pistons, we will be building a 4-bolt 454 to go in here. So we're about to raise it up and let you see the stuff he's done underneath it. He got the springs that should support the 454, ordered them special. He's gonna put that Jaguar console in and use a 69 Camaro gauge package and shifter. I don't know where his shifter went to. It's around here somewhere though. So let's lift it up and let you see this front end. It's sort of hard to get up there with this carpet down here in the way, but you can see lots of the springs, all the new front end parts. I know nothing about front end stuff. I've watched him. I've learned more than I ever wanted to know about front ends. But you know, he's had his calipers, his rotors turned, new calipers, brakes, wheel bearings, had to knock those out and press in the new ones. I have done that and repacked wheel bearings. Done that quite a bit by hand. He's got a self-packer. Has he got it put up or is it still over here? He's put it up. That will sort of take part of the work out of packing wheel bearings. All parts are new. Okay, we're going to wrap this one up, let it down, and that'll be it. Let's see, it seemed like there was something else I was going to do or show you. But anyway, that'll get this one. Okay, yeah, forgot to update this. He has bought a 12-bolt rear end for it. He said he's going to have to narrow it. I don't know if he said he's going to try to do it himself. I know nothing about that kind of stuff. And I don't think he's opened that case. I don't know if he knows whether it's a limited slip or not. I think the 12-bolt is counted on the ring gear, how many bolts are holding it on, not the bolts back here at the plate. But I think I'll walk up and give you a little update on the van too, the van we bought, and combine these two. Okay, this thing's been cranking and running good. It needs plugs, needs a tune-up, plugs, rotary button, distributor cap, and probably plug wires. It needs 4 tires. I haven't made up my mind for sure if I'm going to keep it, but probably am. It's a nice van, unless something else shows up. But so far I can tell, lots of tires, you can figure new tires, 800, air conditioner, new dryer, compressor, and orifice tube, Freon 450, maybe 500. What else have I figured out? Anyway, I've come up with about $2,500 of stuff that needs to be done. Let's see how it cranks this morning. It backfired yesterday afternoon. I don't know why, what was going on with that. But once it cranked up, it was fine. Security light has gone off. Okay, let's see what it does this morning. It does have a good Kenwood radio. I haven't figured out how to use it yet. I use the old type stuff. But it does have a CD player. I'm not sure if it works or not, but I hope so, because I like CDs. But yeah, front and rear heat, that's rear control. It has plumbing back there. Let's see, there's some other rear control. You got the front. And I don't know anything about this stuff. But anyway, we're going to be working on this more. And see how we come out on it. Oh, I know what I was thinking now. When I fix this water leak, if it's the heater hose or temperature control valve, if I'm going to get on the road in this thing with 187,000 miles, I don't know if this is the original water pump or not, but there's no point whatsoever in draining and flushing this system without putting a new water pump on it. That I'll probably go ahead and flush the transmission fluid, probably not do the filter, but I might. The oil looks good, but we'll probably do an oil change. But I'm going to start messing with the paint if we, got to make up my mind for sure. Sanding and getting some paint on it and some rust, whatever it does, that stuff up there to control that rust on the roof, transforms it or whatever. So, okay, well, unless it runs and drives good. I haven't been out of the driveway with it, but it does good.